Hey Tres Tribe, I'm here to help you with the basic steps to a bikini wax or extended high leg bikini, which I'm going to talk you through now. You will want your Tres Wellness starter kit here all ready to start. So it's very important that you always test your wax on the inside of your wrist before going anywhere on the body to make sure that it isn't burning to touch on the skin. You want to get your pre-wax spray and your after wax spray ready, and make sure you have some cotton wool to hand with your spatulas so you're ready to start. Now, what you should hopefully see here is visualize a bikini line. So here is the inside of the leg, the thighs, and here is where the buttocks are sitting down, and as you can imagine, some underwear on as well. So a basic bikini is the hairs that run on the outside of the knicker line. So imagine if you had some larger knickers on, and the hair that runs down the thigh, which is quite common to see, is where your basic bikini is. An extended or high leg bikini is that little bit more in, as if you was wearing a thong. So imagine this is in between your buttocks here, and then the hair that is just on the underneath bit on that extended area of the bikini. So that is okay to remove as well, and it may be just that you have an extra wider strip that comes to remove underneath. So before you get started, you want to pre-wax cleanse the area. So you get your sprays and you want to cleanse the area that you're about to wax. Once that's dried, you may find it helpful if you are slightly sweatier or it's a little bit more moisture on the skin to put a little bit of powder, talc 3 preferably, onto the area of the skin just to absorb any moisture. You want to then go to your wax pot once you have tested the wax and get a nice amount on a larger spatula. So twizzling on the spatula like this to grab hold of your wax. You want to start at the highest point here on where your bikini line is. So you're going to bring these spatulas downwards with the wax into the direction of hair growth. So you're building it here. Now you may need to add more wax and do extra strips if need be. So each person will have hair that will either grow further down, or they may just have an area here. So you're just working on what you have. So break it down. Don't try and cover the whole hair area in one go. Do it in separate strips if need be. So once you've applied the wax in the direction of hair growth, it's important you build a nice area where you can get your handle here, where you're going to pull against the hair growth. You want to give it a few seconds to make sure it's gripped on and set nice so it's not tacky. And you want to flick at the end here. On actual skin, this will lift nice and easy. Just make sure you keep the skin nice and taut and tight here so it doesn't cause any lifting. Lift the wax. Once you have your handle, you want to do short, parallel, firm pulls. Not one quick whip, because then it may break hair. You want to grab the hair from the root. So you want to do short, parallel, quick, firm pulls across the body. It may take you 2 to 3 pulls to get that off the skin. For some people it may be 4. Do it at your pace and make sure that you're quick with it when you do pull, not slow so that it doesn't hurt. And you want to take all of the hair from this area going against the hair growth. Repeat the same step here on the other side, and then make sure you apply a nice after wax spray, rub into the skin to make sure that it soothes the area where we've just waxed, to make it moisturize and calm from after the wax experience.